Okay, let's give an overview really quick here. So this is the README. I'll just skim this, but essentially what it is it has the workflow for how we're transforming the data and processing it, brief setup steps that you need to put in an API key, and where you put that in the env variable, and then these are the things that I would do if I had more time. So one of the things was that I was trying to programmatically interact with the browser using Selenium. I was running into a few edge cases where I couldn't get it up and running as effectively as I would have liked to. So in lieu of that, I improvised so that I could still meet the 2-hour timeline for this. I had 20 minutes to spare as I did this, but anyways, in lieu of Selenium, I'm just using requests package to just request the web page. And so what I do is I take the HTML web page and I store that copy of it after requesting it, and I use that in conjunction with the mock data, and I provide these two data points, like IO data points, to be fed into a dynamic template. These are Jinja templates, and this is what generates the prompt that will then be sent to OpenAI. So the main role that AI is playing here is it's generating mappings between web data and JSON. And so what that looks like is it will go out and it will request it, and it will give you back these mappings in this mappings JSON thing. And then this is programmatically parsed to then create a processed form, which is basically the desired output. So from the top, we have the original not filled out. We have some mock data. In our case, you'd have some sort of desired forms I think you might want to be filled out, but this just helps for context anyways. And then it will fill in the form, and it will generate a new sheet of that being filled out. So let's see this in action. So if we go to if we run this, it will grab the data. That's what all that mess is up there, and then it's going to send it to OpenAI. And then it's going to wait until the response is received. It will generate these mappings. I guess I forgot to delete the file, but yeah, it'll do it. You can try it for yourself. Okay, so it did all that. And so now if we want to actually look at this processed version of the form, we can go to here, and we can open it up, and we can see that these are all here. And here's the original that was unfilled, and I went through manually and inspected to make sure that this was the case. But yeah, so that fills that out. Again, with more time, what I would do is I would create an iterative loop in which a model could programmatically interact with the browser, and it would see how things update through time. This is just a quick and dirty approach to getting it working within the time constraints given. So yeah, that's all. Thank you.